Well, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a little different subject in the area of farm automation. We'll be talking about agricultural drones and a cost-effective way of doing something like this. So basically what I've done here is I've just taken some fence posting and cut it and then just bolted it together between two Jetson e-bikes. These are relatively inexpensive. You can find them uh, on Facebook for $200 usually. Turns out that the battery gets hammered pretty quickly, and then you're looking at another $200 to buy a new battery or just buy a new bike. And so people normally just upgrade to a different bike. So if you need to replace your batteries on your e-bike like these, you could just use two drill batteries. You can just connect them in series, and that'll do the job. Uh, if you want to build an agricultural drone like I'm working on here, really you just need two tools. You need yourself a pipe cutter, and then you need some vice grips to hold onto the pipe while you turn that pipe cutter on there. Then you just need some top rail fencing. Hopefully you can just find it laying around.